Assalamualaikum, my dear class 4. How are you all? I hope all of you are very fine and staying safe and sound at your homes. So, class 4, it's your English lecture and this lecture is for both group A and B. Yes, right. So, the group A will listen to this lecture at Thursday, and the group B will listen to Wednesday. Okay, so this is lectures for both of the groups. So let's begin. Okay, we are going to do our course book chapter number 2. I want to stay awake, learn spelling. Okay, so open the page number 28 and have your pencils, erasers in your hands. So we are going to start learn spelling. Okay, fill in the blanks with A-I, E-I, I-E, E और E-A. हमने जो blanks को fill करना है ये words लगा के. Okay, number word is C-H-W. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या word हो सकता है? These words are from your chapter. Okay, first word will be C-H-W. You have to guess it. क्या हो सकता है? हमने इसमें क्या पढ़ा था? C से related word. Yes, chew. Next word is S-D. अब इसमें उन्होंने कहा है खाली A लगा सकते हैं तो sad बने. No, उन्होंने A-I कहा तो क्या बनेगा? Said. Yes. Then third word is believe. Next word is height. Right? We have put here E-N-I. Next is great. Okay. And next is A-G. A-I. अगर हम A-I put करें तो ये क्या बनेगा? Yes, again. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ फाइंड द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स इन ईच रो एंड पुट अ टिक अगेंस्ट इट. उन्होंने नीचे आपको कहा है कि उन्होंने आपको 3 रॉज देंगे. ठीक है, हमने कहा जो ठीक स्पेलिंग है उसके आगे अपने बॉक्स में टिक लगाना है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ वंडरफुल. सो व्हाट आर द स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ वंडरफुल? WUNDERFUL और WNDERFUL. इज दिस वंडरफुल? ये फर्स्ट यू वाला, ओ वाला या L वाला? सो द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स आर दिस वंडरफुल. यहाँ पे जो टिक लगा बेटा ये गलती से लगा, आपने यहाँ सेकंड वाले में वंडरफुल के आगे टिक लगाना है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एम्परर. ओके, EMPEROR. येस, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज टिक. सो इट्स ऑब्वियस डैट ये जो लास्ट वाले 2 होंगे ये गलत ही होंगे. नेक्स्ट इज ऑफर्ड. सो व्हाट आर द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ ऑफर्ड? OFERRED, OFFERRED or OFFERED. Yes, last one is the correct one. So you have to put a tick in that box. Next word is excitement. Yes, so the right spellings of excitement is this second one. Okay, then last word is beautiful. So you all know the spellings of beautiful. So you have to put a tick here by your own. Okay. So now open your booklets and open the page number 42. So in the booklet, this is the similar exercise, learn spellings and some missing letters. So let's begin. First of all, you will write the date. Okay, so the date is group A will write their date, like group A will listen to this lecture to Thursday and group B will listen to Wednesday. So you have to write your date accordingly. Then you will write C work, then you will write the day. Okay, learn spelling, find the correct spelling and put a tick against it. Okay, अभी आपको कुछ different words दिए हैं, उन्होंने कहा है इन दोनों में से जो word ठीक है उसके आगे आपने tick लगाना है. So what are the correct spellings of perhaps? Yes, this is the correct spelling. Next is emperor. We have already done this in the course book, so this is the correct one of emperor. Then wonderful, the first one is the correct of wonderful. Next, doctor. So I am really sure that you all know the spellings of doctor. Yes, this is the correct spelling of doctor. Next is minute. So what are the correct spellings of minutes? Yes, the first one. Okay, the second question is write the missing letters and complete the words from the chapter I want to stay awake. उन्होंने कहा नीचे missing letters इनको मुकम्मल करें और ये सब words कहाँ से हैं आपके chapter I want to stay awake से. Yes, so अगर आपको कोई समझ नहीं आ रहा, you can open your chapter, you can read it and you can find these words. अगर आपको कोई word की समझ नहीं आ रही तो अपने chapter को read करें और उसमें से देखें क्योंकि ये words उसी में से हैं. So the first word is MO-ING. What will be it? As you remember that we have read one morning the emperor called the doctor, right? So it's morning. Next is of. I am so sure that you have guessed it. Yes, this is the right word, awake. Next is sir dash. क्या होगा? Sir and क्या होगा? Yes, servants. So you have to do all of these by your own. You have to think, then you can, if you don't if you don't have any guesses, so अगर आपको कोई एक दो नहीं आ रहा है बीच में से, open your book and read the chapter again and find the words from it. So this is really easy and simple. Do it and complete the missing letters. Good luck from my side. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care, my class. Allah Hafiz.